बिरेस्तारा कोटपा समितीन मामलेदार आणि हेर वांगड्या सयत मडगावच्या इश्कॉलांच्या आवारात आशिल्ल्या दुकानांनी धाड घाली। या दुकानांनी सामाना सयत बंदी आशिल्ल्या तंबाखू सिगरेटींचो मोठ्या प्रमाणात विक्रो जाल्ल्याचे मुखार आयले। असली प्रकरणां थांबोवपा खातीर कलेक्टर आणि हेर अधिकाऱ्यांनी खर पावलां उबारपाची गरज गोवा कॅनाच्या लॉर्ना फर्नांडिसान उक्तायली। पळयात।
On the enforcement squad, which has been set up by under the chairmanship of the collector, who is chairperson of the South Goa district level coordination committee for KOTPA. KOTPA is Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003. So under this, the enforcement squad with the Mamledar, sanitary inspector, sometimes the municipal inspectors and the police consists of the squad. So today the police had sent a complaint where they had raided one Narayan stove down the road just next to Fatima Convent. So they had sent that copy to the collector's office. Collector directed the Mamledar to come and act on that complaint. So today basically we came based on that complaint towards Fatima Convent. This is the 5th time that I am coming with the squad, and every time we are letting them off. They say na ye party korche na ami bond dorta. But it has not happened. They have still got cigarettes. We have seized them. Actually, the collector had issued a special order that the cigarettes, which are the foreign brands and do not have any packaged commodity declaration as per the packaged commodity rules, but the Mamledars are so burdened with whatever they are doing. We had also suggested that a special squad be set up, that they only concentrate on this trade, because it's affecting the youth, especially when they have shops selling cigarettes right next to the school. The 100-yard thing is not really being implemented in seriousness. I will have to say that, we were just talking and we said that, we have to sit down and draw up a plan. What happens in the meeting? We go, we discuss, okay, Mamledar didn't go out, why he didn't go out. And also, in the last few meetings, it was decided that Mamledar will go out once a month and do 10 challans. So that is not going to help. So, like if you look at the Salsett Mamledar, the area is so huge, 31 panchayats, 2 municipality. The area you can imagine in Salsett Taluka is itself. So by the time we get together and we go somewhere far off also, we can only spend an hour doing enforcement. So actually, in all seriousness, collector must take stringent kind of steps to put this enforcement squad in place.